Greetings, Star Citizens, and welcome to this guide. This is a quick fix, guys, for those who are using Joystick Gremlin. So what we're doing here is repairing the fact that the new EasyAntiCheat will not accept the files from the old, what was it, HidGuardian, I think it was, that we were using, from the Ventorvar guide for setting up Joystick Gremlin. So I'm going to walk you guys through, hopefully, getting this fixed. I'm doing it myself, actually, as I speak, so I'm going to hopefully be able to get you guys through this without too many hiccups here. So stand by just a second. First thing we need to do is bring up the Star Citizen installation directory wherever you have Star Citizen installed. And in here, you're going to have a couple files that you installed or that you put in place when you installed HidGuardian that you need to get rid of. So go in here. We need to get rid of this DevReorder I that is in the live folder. So just go ahead and delete that. And we need to go into bin64 and delete the dinput8.dll. So that should be all you need to do to get rid of the old solution here. Now, this is not going to change you using Joystick Gremlin. This is only going to change the program that hides your other controllers from Star Citizen, so Star Citizen only sees the virtual controller that's created by Joystick Gremlin. Next thing we need to do is set up HidHide. I got this from Ventorvar himself, and this is going to be the replacement for that program. So I will put the link in the description below. All right, if I'm not mistaken, once you go to this page, we're going to want to click this HidHide drivers over here. Looks like it's going to be our download. Mentions prerequisites here. Let's take a quick look at that. All right, looks like that's for the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. You guys probably all have this installed already from previous installations. If you don't, I'm not going to walk through fixing that right now unless a lot of people are having issues with it. But you would have to just download and install that package. So then if you scroll down here, this HidHide MSI should be the file that we need to install it. Let's save that. And go to our downloads, and I'm going to actually show it in the folder. I like to put this stuff on my desktop when I'm working with it. So real quick, I'm going to go ahead and do that and run it from there. All right. Gonna accept that. All right, once you're done with that, looks like we just need to actually launch the configuration utility. I did that by hitting the start button and typing in HidHide. HidHide configuration client is what we want. Okay, so the first part is the applications button, the applications tab here. Is going to show the programs that are allowed to see the controller, allowed to see through the cloak, they say here. So I'm going to hit that plus sign. And after hitting that plus sign on the HidHide, I navigated to where my Joystick Gremlin folder is. I'm going to hit Joystick Gremlin EXE here and click that. And it looks like that worked and added it to the list there. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit devices. It should list all of the devices that we have here, and we want to check off, if I understand this correctly, all the devices that we don't want Star Citizen to see. So let's see, we got everything except the VJoy virtual joystick there should apply. And enable device hiding. That should do the trick. I don't see any kind of save or apply buttons or anything, so I'm just going to go ahead and close out of this and then do a reboot. All right, folks, and that does appear to have done the trick. So I'm going to drop the link, as I said, for that utility into the about comments down below. And you guys can click that. For those who have not yet set up Joystick Gremlin at all, I'll be making another video on that and some other related things coming up in the near future. This is just going to be a real quick sort of temporary video that I get up for all of the people who are logging in this weekend or anytime this week after they drop this patch and finding, well, that they can't play Star Citizen because the EasyAntiCheat is kicking back a bit of modified code. So this is going to go up on YouTube now, and hopefully an improved version of it will be coming soon. Thank you, Star Citizens, and I will see you guys in the verse and on my channel, twitch.tv/TripRodriguez.